Hi, this is the REALME C17 and I'll show you how to add the remove home screen widgets on this device. So first hold for a while the home screen with your finger and then tap to the icons. Oh, sorry, to the icons, not to the icons, but to the widgets. Here you'll see all of the available widgets which you could add to your home screen. Just select one from the widgets and tap on it and it's added automatically to your home screen. If you want to move this widget on the screen or between the screens, just hold and drag it. To resize the widget, hold it for a while and after that we could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from your home screen, hold and tap the remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.